Are you preparing for FRM exam? Are you too looking for a guide, a mentor who can help you learn things easily and guide you to the path of success truly? Then what are you waiting for? Join our BEI classes now. Here, Deepak sir will teach you the right way of learning things seamlessly. You will be able to grasp concepts easily and can achieve great scores with ease. His way of teaching is excellent and he will motivate you to achieve great success in your studies. His lectures cover practical concepts that will help you to crack interviews and perform better in your real life. Lectures are very easy to understand and explained in depth to cover all topics. Here you get weekly tests on regular intervals to improve on your mistakes. Regular guidance and mentoring, one-to-one doubt solving, short notes and mind maps will help you to revise topics 10 days before exam. His motive is always to teach beyond syllabus. Our BEI classes are very well designed for college students and working professionals. You can call or message Deepak sir anytime to ask doubts. His availability is commendable for his students. There is no alternative to the best and he is truly the best. A true example of a good teacher. Thank you.